Hi guys, welcome back. Today this is Numberblocks season A episode 1. Um yeah, that's all I have to say. Again, it's 1 to 250. We're going to do this from now on and till 260 and uh yeah, this by the way, I'm recording this at night. So I might be a little bit quieter than I normally am. I'm usually really loud in these videos, but I'm gonna be kind of quiet this time because I'm actually recording this at like 10 p.m. Yeah, you saw that. Yeah, you see. See, I'm recording at 10 p.m. So, like, you see. So, yeah. Anyways, just quick note. I'm gonna be a bit quieter than I normally am because I'm recording at night. So, just don't get mad at me that I'm recording, that I'm speaking too quiet. It's because I'm recording at night and well, you get the gist. What are we doing? Nothing. It's a Sudokus. What is a Sudokus? A Jukus. Um. No! Ah! What have you done to me? Help! Help! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! I survived. Let's go! Ooh. Dingus, 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 dingus. Ow! Oh, get off my screen. What the? Oh. Sorry. I was, sorry. I thought this was this is a bug on my screen. I thought this little circle was a bug on my screen. Like it was bouncing. I don't know where it came from though. Didn't look very, it didn't look very similar to a bug, but that actually scared the heck out of me. Anyways, boogly boots, I'll stab you. I'm gonna stab you with an axe. No, please. Oh no. you're gonna, you're gonna make the American Revolution happen all over again. What are you talking about? Oh, oh, ding, what's going on? Well, we're coming together. If this is clipped for 10 more, if we stay like this for 10 more seconds, I am putting a time machine on, stuffing you on it, and we're going back, and we're going and back to the dark, and we're going to the Black Plague. Nope, freak that. Alright, you asked for it. You wanna go in it? Yeah. Alright, let's go. No! What part of me goes in? Where'd they go? Dun 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 dun. What's going on? Dun 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 dun. Um, flash warning. Flash warning. I repeat, flash warning. If you will have epilepsy and you have seizures, please skip to or stop watching. Just skip to, I'll say it in the comments. But if you have epilepsy and seizures, please just skip this part. Um, or you can click off the video. There might be more flashing lights, but of course you don't know because I can't predict what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm only gonna do it. So here we go. I warned you. What's going on? Oh no. Dun, 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 dun. happened? What just happened?
I don't know, but I want to die.
Don't die, don't die. Let's go, babies, yeah. Ignore the flying people. Help! 19, are you okay? I'm okay. I'm finally back. I've been gone for like 3 episodes. 2? I'm not even sure, but I've been gone for multiple episodes. Oh, I'm back finally. Yay! Now, where were we?
Stick to the script.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Stick to the script.
Stick to the script. We need to stick to the script, guys. We need to
Stick to the script.
11 doesn't exist. 11 doesn't exist. How many times, 10? 10. How many times have you said that? Millions? Okay, that means you should both die. This has happened way too many times. This is the only reason why chaos begins in all these things. There's always chaos, okay? It's just we had caused the most of it, okay? Just don't start this next episode. Please. Don't do this. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, you asked for it. What did 49 do, you stupid? What did 47 do, you stupid head? What are we doing now? Let's die. Let's die. Let's go. I'm gonna punch you. Oh no. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. No. Oh, it's not that bad.
You know what? Everybody deserves to die. Stick to the script.
You know, this episode is all about rain, and there hasn't even been a single droplet. Yeah, and there hasn't even been a single droplet yet. What's going on? Rain! It's barely raining though. It stopped. So like what? Is it gonna start pouring or something? Oh, I should have carried an umbrella. There's water towers. Oh my gosh, look! Everybody, water towers. I love these things. Water towers, water towers. Oh, do I love you. I have become rain. I have become one with the rain. And there goes. Oh, the water tower. Are those water towers? I haven't seen those things in a while, dude. My gosh, the last time I saw these was June 14th, 2012. Wait, 12? That's my name. Also, I had several broken bones from Nyan hitting me so many times, but they're never healing. So I just don't care about them. But look at this. Look. Oh. Wait, it's coming for me. Whoa, what the heck is that? No, you are not coming back.
Yes, I am the water demon.
No, you don't. No, you don't come back. You don't.
Guess what? I'll be in a stronger form.
Oh my gosh, water demon, we don't want to hear you. We don't want to hear your antics. We don't want to hear we don't want to hear your yapping.
You asked for it. You have totally asked for it. Well, look what you summoned. Sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, no, this isn't just an inconvenience. This is straight up death. For you only. Let me just straighten this real quick. So you've asked to die. No, I didn't. What's going on? You messed with the water towers. I didn't. Yes, you did. You did mess with the water towers. You're gonna die. Water towers are like sacred to you? Yes, they are. You wanna die now? Ah! Stop! I have a blister on my face. Ah! 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 That's a really bad blister. That's a really bad blister. That's a really bad blister. Sing. No, I have a blister. What did you do? It's hurts. It's on my face. That's what you do, but it's not gonna be. But it should be the least of your worries. You popped my blister. You popped it, you psychopath. Somebody, I just broke off my bones. Who are you? Oh gosh, no, 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 no. Wait, where's the 30s head? They're missing. Oh, they're over here, stupid head. What's going on? I don't know. It's the water demon number 2. No, I am the water demon. I have become much stronger than I have before. It's dodge! Dodge! You guys have no idea how mad I'm getting right now. You guys have no idea how mad I'm getting right now. You realize? I'm getting really mad of you. I'm getting really tired of you guys. Oh gosh. I want to. Let me just unleash my killer powers. No! What the heck? What have you done to me? What's going on? I don't know, everybody. Calm down. We'll be fine. Don't think anybody is up to worry here. The water demon's here. Wait, the water demon? Who is the one who killed me? The water demon killed me. Back on
in Numberblocks Season 7, Episode 9. He killed me. And I didn't come back until now, so that's a bad sign. Hey, 28. Everybody go away. I need to get 28.
I need to get 28. Move. Come here, 28. You know what, you guys? Alright, 28. Okay, ignore everybody. I have an important message for you. What is it?
What is it? We have come to collect your blood and all of your stuff from your body and turn it into water and turn it into one of us, the water civilization, and we'll conquer everything once again. Water right here. That's our rain. And rain it will. And rain it will right now. Oh, sure I go. It's sudden rain. Let's remove all of this. Alright, 28. Are you ready to die and never come back? And never come back ever again. No! No, 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 no. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, you are. Well, it's time to say goodbye. Bye, guys. I'm about to die. Well, the water didn't even try to kill me. Do you guys hear me?
I never cared about you. Alright. Here it is. Let's collect your blood real quick. And you will finally be dead. And I hated you for the longest time. You are the sacrifice. You are the one we will sacrifice for a lovely civilization. Let's turn you into water. Oh! Oh! Somebody! Why is it? Why? Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Ah! My blood! My blood is coming out of one single hole! Ah! You broke the hole in me, now the blood's coming out!
Finally, the head massage. I mean, the head stab.
Oh, why are you doing this to me? I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong to you. Help me. Help. 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 Help, please. Help. Right.
Well, I use my magical powers to completely annihilate him. Let's use all the remaining blood and turn it into water. Yes! Yes, this is about to become hundreds of new people. This will be used to make thousands even. All merged together in this, though. You gotta separate it. I'm going back to my world, actually. Oh, this water's coming with me. I'm gonna go in my water form, too. I'm about to merge with possibly an entire generation of people. Part of everybody else. Let's go! Oh, let's go! Let's everybody.
Hello, Legend.
Oops. What now? There's just water everywhere. Well, I guess 28 turned into possibly thousands of people. What do you mean by that? So the water demon actually turned 20, actually destroyed 28 and used his blood, turned it into water. Do you know what he did next? What? He's gonna he's gonna turn the water into individual water beings. He's just like him. My gosh, that's bad. Not really that bad. Ow, it's killing someone. I guess it is that bad. Yeah, you think? Well, I mean, I was just saying. Basically, they're just merged together until T separates them, and I don't want to hear anything about it. Well, there goes 28. He was just back, and he gets killed immediately because the water demon decided to come back for a round two. Wait, hold up. I think I heard the water demon's voice earlier. That guy, I hated him. He was a menace. Had to kill 38. He's right next to me. I gotta go. 37. 37. We gotta have a talk. We gotta have a talk. 37, come here. 37, come on. We gotta have a talk. We gotta have a talk up in the skies. Let's make our own platform. Let's make our own platform real quick. Um. Ow. 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 It's okay. What are we doing with our lives? So, you know how you killed me 2 episodes ago? Yeah? I have came to collect the blood. I've came to swallow your blood and sacrifice you to make a new to make a block. Why? Just cause I feel like it. No! Stop! This isn't true! This isn't true! Well, let's turn this into a block now. Oh my goodness, I'm still alive, you realize. But I am having a bad day because I'm a block now. I can still see you. Yes, I can still see you. I still have an eye. Okay? I still have eyes, I still have everything. I'm just not 37 anymore. Or I'm really mad at you for doing that. I'm really mad at you for doing that. 37, calm down. It was just a prank. This was all a prank? No, this wasn't. This was complete murder. Look what you've done to me. It isn't murder because you're still alive. Well, uh, yeah, I guess you are correct. Well, yeah, man. I mean, I'm sorry. You you had to do this. I was expecting to die some way, and I guess this is how. You're not dead, and I probably won't die. So actually, no, I'm not dying, and I don't want to be a block. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be a block earlier, but this is revenge. This is revenge. Remember when you killed me last 2 episodes ago because the water demon forced you to? The water demon forced me to. Now you've turned me into something that's going to become the water demon. My gosh. Horrible, though. You're just horrible. Sorry. I'm coming for you. I can just roll towards you now. Let's. And boing, boing, boing. No, stop. Go away. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I've had enough. I'm sorry.
Come here. I'll push you off. I'll push you off. I'm too small. What has he done? What has 38 done to me? Look at me now. I'm just a blob of nothing. And it's but just a blue blob. You know what? I'm gonna have to get used to this. Fine. I can get happy on my own with this. I can look on this. Well, this is very bad. This is kinda bad. So, what do I want to do next? Want to be saved? Because that's what I want to do. Yay, I'm here now. Help us! Oh. What just happened? I gotta go down there and check. Oh, I gotta go down there. The world is so much bigger than it just was. The world is so much bigger than it just was. Oh my gosh. Dude. Ow! Boing. Ah! Boing, boing, boing. uh, has anyone seen 28? Actually, no. What if it rains so hard it forms a pool? It's gonna flood. I already know. It's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. It's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. It's digging. Let's get 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 digging. What's going on? The water's rising. The water's rising. The water's rising. The water's rising. Oh gosh! Everybody brace yourselves! Somebody, we need land! We need land! I repeat, everybody get up on this platform! It's rising! It's rising! What's going on? Everybody get up here! Get up here quick! I want to die. No, please. No, don't. No, please. Die already. What's going on? I want to die too. Yes. We're gonna be the winning ones, and you what? Hey, at least I got to win somehow. What's that black guy at? Hey, why? You can't. You can't just do that. I gotta. Wait a second. Wait a second. If I am now just a block of frozen water, does that mean I am genuinely immortal? Hey guys, what did you do? I'm sorry. Well, I gotta test it. Alright, the water's coming up. Alright, guys, the water is literally coming up. I think you guys should move. Oh, yeah. Ah! Everybody move! We need to build some land quick! We need to get the high ground! Ugh, maybe I got ahead of myself. What's my spell?
Well, I mean, I guess you came to the right place. We need some land, though. We need to make a platform so we can actually stand on it, at least. Guys, I have at least a 2 or 3. We have a area for the small Numberblocks. Everybody get here quick.
I'm already as damaged as I can be. Hey, oh, I would love to go to this one.
Hey, you're gonna ruin the fun. Ah! Everybody go away.
Actually, you know what? 12?
I wanna die. I just have too many broken bones. I just wanna die, but I still have this one. I still have this blister on me. You know what? That's it. Oh! I wanna do it too.
No.
Oh, please! Help me! I think I'm safe.
Guys, move.
What's going on? I don't know. It's all chaos. It always has been. Are you guys ready for death? Yep. Somebody! Why are they hiding? What do I do? No, please! No! No! I am not dying! I'm not dying, you weirdo! What's going on?
I don't know.
Everybody? What? No. Where did that block guy go? Oh gosh. I just realized how many. Okay, just ignore this part. I don't even know what happened, but you saw it. You saw it. It was always showing 2 funlets, and clearly there's more than 2 funlets. So if anybody knows what happened, because the funlets are still clearly there. If anybody knows what happened, please tell me how to fix it in the comments, because I have no clue what happened. It just kind of got like that, and I don't know if I'm ever gonna see my funlets again. Hey, at least I saw my scenes, but the funlets are pretty important because there's a lot of save stuff that I normally use, and I don't have access to without the funlets. So anyways, I think it's shoutout time. Yeah, crazy, right? Shoutout time. Yeah. My gosh, it's 10:59 p.m. How long? 40 minutes already, dude? I gotta get through these, I gotta get through these, um, sorry. So I just forgot how to find my videos. Anyways, yeah, you know we gotta shout out subscribers. There's 2. We gotta get the, okay, first commenters, just the latest ones. Alright, first of all, we got Marion Johnson, 5789. We're 7 and 8. We're 7 and 8. Who knows? I'm pretty sure they are there, though. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Nora Allison R2C. Game name? Jace the Creator XD. Algodo. Yep. Hello, Jace. It's always Jace, I swear. Anyways, Jude Drabble 2477. YTP YTPFR 2015. Hell. Oh my gosh, I think you're correct about this video. Alright. Winter Toddy U 83 E31. Chip! Ha ha ha. Tacky Chip. Do you know what you're talking about? I don't think he knows. Anyways, um Pahad Pa Pow at Pow had a Pow lat Palada Guy H5R. My gosh, what a name. 80 turned to 170. Alright. Bonnie 489. Robooks. What does this have to do with Roblox? It was my first screen recorded Numberblocks video. What could this mean? Roblox. Okay. Jevin B7I. Jim Carlton T7U. Robson Carvajal P6D. Yes. Yes to what? RES731 dash. Go. Yep, correct. Yaher here. What a name. You need to make a new 210. I did. There's been one for a very long time. Did you not realize that, my friend? I did. Like last year. I did make a 210 and like a year ago, bro. My gosh. Jace the Creator XD. We are shouting out you. Rosa Mirkas 8488. Dat Manly fam. Also, you spelt my name wrong. You spelled my name wrong. It's you spelled it TheGaming It's actually spelled TheGamingChannel. Two N's and replace the E with a Y and you'll be good. Anyways, Pika Eichslander 6212, Kazakhstan 983, Pablo Hurnik, Kai the Wizard, Leo, Calvin Mitchell, Sons of Thunderstorms GD, K Dump, Rachel O'Coleman. That's what I'm saying. That's what you're saying to what? You didn't put his timestamp. I don't know what you're talking about unless there's some part that you saw and you just don't know how to do that. Can you make ultimate Numberblocks? Body's Basic Sport 6. Can you make ultimate Numberblocks? Wrong video to comment, but let me think about that one. I don't really know what you mean by ultimate Numberblocks, but I guess I will. I'm just gonna say you want like thousands. If that's what you wanted, yeah. But if you're watching me right now, can you like comment what you mean by ultimate Numberblocks? Please, like I'm just saying, it's really weird. Anyways, Black Ranger RNW6 Goku profile. Look at that. She's a Goku profile. What's with this? What is this? Why do I even? Okay, we're supposed to be. Alright, we're supposed to be freaking. We're supposed to be doing shoutouts, not watching dumb videos. Anyways, Mate Mazes. That's a weird Mate. Cookie Rahita. No. OMG, that's funny. Bro really said 3 A. Hikari Stokes. 8483. 180. I mean, you're correct. Okay, Kazakhstan 983 again. Forget 1K, forget 2K, forget 3K, forget 4K, forget 5K. We made it to 6K, and soon we'll make it to 7K. I bet you we will get it. We will get it soon. 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 7K is what I need. Actually, no. 10K is what I need. Anyways, BV9 Inears. And finally, Cache Ballard, 7800. Alright. I want to do subscribers though, so let's do the recent subscribers. Date subscribed. All right, let's just do this by the subscriber count. So yeah, let's start this. Okay, so the highest subscriber I have, high subscribed subscriber that I have, like basically the most liked person that subscribed to me is Mr. Sun. For whatever reason, it's this dude. Why are you so popular? You're making the weird looking PBS Kids effects. I'm probably making, what, Class Geek Supo videos? I already know it. Just the Class Geek Supo everywhere. I don't know. It's just, this thing has had a chokehold. It's like it's always Kind Master. Like, Class Geek Supo probably has like a chokehold on like 90% of my fans. Anyways, Cheeseburger Unikidding Creatings, Bacon Hair 8887, Pedro Sierra Piera Especial 25 Anos. They don't even speak English, so I don't know why they're subscribed to me. I always speak English, okay? I don't understand Spanish. Whatever language that is. Tin Hitut. Felipe. Actually, no. Felipe! What is that profile picture? We need to be doing this shout out. Stop. Jacob Baby Zaba. The Grace Kikariki, Bryce Jono 575, and Tyler Games. Thank you to you all for subscribing. Thank you so much. And I know there's way more, but I'm not gonna get on that. I'm not gonna do that all. But we've already done enough shoutouts. It's probably been, yeah, like it's almost 50 minutes long. I'm not having this video be almost an hour, so we're just gonna end here. Bye, guys. Hope you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye.